my contempt for non-compliance of the judgment, my lord. These are, your lordship will recollect.
My lord, we have a small difficulty, my lord. We have no intention of not coming with your government. My lord, kindly, my lord, call them here, my lord. We have given a notice. You will not entertain it, neither contempt nor that.
My contempt, my lord, where will I go?
Implement, I said. My lord, we'll implement, my lord. We are only a
your lordship may record that. And
after, my lord, the counselling took place, there is sufficient goodwill in the court hall, and we are assured that the judgment will be implemented. Mr. Jyoti Gupta, learned senior counsel, for the hearing on behalf of the board, primary board, assisted by Mr. Kunal Chatterjee, would submit that they will discuss with the government to ensure early implementation of the judgment. In this view of the matter, there is no need for us to proceed with the applications.
Just to assist your lordship to make that order a little more stronger, especially since your lordship gave the direction under 142. The earlier direction to complete the process is a direction under 142 to do complete justice between the parties.
Yes.
So therefore,
we only have to, my lord, get the government to, my lord, give us a modified vacancy. Identify a modified vacancy, because, my lord, these are subject-wise, category-wise. Oh, you were actually restrained.
Within 6 weeks
or observing some strong.
Within.
Well, your lordship may observe that this varied. You change your stand multiple times. Anyway, leave it at that. Yes, my lord. All is well. On that, I am not, my lord.
No, my lord. Within 6 weeks or 8 weeks, my lord.
Yes, your lordship may say that. Then it will help us within 6 weeks from.
All right, great.
Thank you.
Great. All of them are dismissed.
My lord, the state. These observations, all the state to decide within 6 weeks, my lord. If your lordship. Yes. I will not say that. State is not. Well,
I am giving the appointment. It can't decide, and then we are again back.
You will implement it. That's it. You persuade the government, you are bound by.
Yes.
All civil authorities are bound by the orders, whether before us or not before us.
No question, my lord.
And the state is before your lordship. It is not even as if they are not. Okay, state is before us. Yes. But what do you want us to say? Their party. What do you want us to say? My lord, that they will reorganize the vacancies, my lord. That's all. State shall take immediate steps for implementation.
Very good.
Great. And my lord said time limit may be maintained.
6 weeks. 6 weeks.
That's fine. We'll do it, my lord. The pattern is clear, my lord. There's no difficulty.
An order makes everyone happy.
Right.
All sides happy. Correct. No, but the order of the court must be complied. Your lordship, you said 142 to do complete justice. I mean,
no difficulty. Yeah. Absolutely no difficulty. We are, my lord, happy to give long arguments on one part. There are vacancies. More vacancies are rising in future. So, my lord, there is no reason to. An unfortunate case. Yes.
Unfortunate. Grateful, my lord. Deeply grateful.
May please.